Hi there, this is Kevin once again, and guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can load the data from a CSV or dataset to your IBM DB2 cloud. So guys, without being more said, let's get started. So here you can see on my dashboard, here I'm trying to upload the data to my IBM DB2 cloud, and over here it says like I don't have privileges for creating the implicit schema, and I was just doing this Coursera course, that is a databases and SQL for data science. I got stuck with that week 4 assignment where I am trying to upload the data for this Chicago socio-economic indicators. I have already downloaded this file. I am trying to fix this, trying to upload this to on DB2 cloud so that I can do the assignment, but I am not able to do it. So I will show you the step-by-step guide how I can fix this. But guys, before moving ahead, I can just tell you one more thing. Like when you are going to load this data to this IBM DB2 cloud after this video, I'm 100% sure you are going to stuck with that timestamp error. Like you can see a lot of threads which are having a timestamp. So I have already created a video that is how you can fix a timestamp error while uploading data to DB2 cloud. So I can give you the link in the description of the video where you can fix this issue. So now let's just move on how we can fix this issue. So first thing that I did is I just downloaded a dataset data. So you can see this is over here I'm showing how you can upload a Coursera dataset for your assignment. So the dataset is already downloaded. Now what you need to do, just from the resources list, go to your I can show you from the starting so that you guys can see. So first thing, this is a dashboard where in the services you can easily get the DB2 cloud service. So I just went to the DB2 cloud service. Over here it will show the services that I have opened, and over in this manage you need to go to the open console, and once you will open the console, it is going to open your DB2 cloud console. And I'm sure you guys are already on this step till now. I think you are fixed, either you are struggling to do this, either you are struggling to load the data. So you can see over here it is showing that these are the databases on which I can upload the data. I can create my own. So you can see as I go on load data, I click on load data. Over here I can upload a file, but guys, as I go and select this file and I do next, so over here it is asking me for finding a schema and load the data in that schema. But guys, I can't add data to any schema that I want because I am not assigned with those schemas. So what I need to do, I have already opened the tab over here, and what you need to do, go to the settings. In the settings, go to the or you can go to the connection info and go connection information. Now as you go, you will see this is your user ID. So this on this user ID, with this user ID, I'm sure there will be one database that is already created. So I'm just copying this user ID and I will search it for you. So you can see as I search, I will get a schema with this user ID. So what you need to do, go to the settings in a connection information where you will be able to get this user ID. So just select that schema over here. Now as I selected, now it is asking for adding any table. So just copy this census data, anything that you want for a table name. So I'm just selecting census underscore data underscore 2 over here, and I'll click on new table and create. And once this thing is done, I'll click on next. So these records are these are just showing what are the records in the schema in our data set. Now I'll click on begin load. Now let's see, and as this begin load is going, so just uploading the data and just going on. So you can see that's bam guys, this issue is our resolved. Now we are able to successfully load our 78 rows, total 78 rows of this data set without getting a single row rejected. So I hope you guys are able to do this. But guys, I'm again saying if you are doing this assignment, I'm sure you will be getting stuck for adding a timestamp issue in this crime dataset. So you can watch this video where I have shown you how you can fix this timestamp error, and the link is in the I icon and the description of the video. So I hope you got this fixed. So that's it for this video. If you like, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye bye and have a nice day.